Welcome to Auto Vibe, where innovation meets attitude and every drive feels like a statement. Today, we're diving into the details of a car that redefines premium performance and futuristic elegance, the Excel X2 Platinum, 2027. So buckle up, because this isn't just a walk-around, it's an experience. Starting from the front, the Excel X2 Platinum commands instant attention. The glassy matte black finish paired with subtle chrome highlights around the grille gives it a dominant yet refined look. Its diamond-cut LED matrix headlights with adaptive illumination not only provide superior night vision but also lend the front a piercing, futuristic stare. The bold platinum badging, aerodynamically sculpted hood lines, and aggressive lower bumper vents all come together to give this car an unmistakable street presence. Moving towards the back, the seamless LED tail light strip stretches across the entire width, flowing perfectly with the sculpted curves of the rear. The dual exhaust outlets are integrated neatly within the gloss black diffuser, hinting at the power that lies underneath. A retractable spoiler sits flush when parked, rising automatically at high speeds for increased downforce and stability. On the right side, you notice the strong shoulder line that runs from the front fender all the way to the rear taillight, giving the car a powerful stance. The 20-inch alloy wheels with a turbine-inspired design add a touch of sporty aggression, while the frameless doors with smart keyless entry provide that high-tech luxury appeal. Flush door handles emerge only when needed, a design element pulled straight from the future. Step inside and you're greeted by a dashboard that feels like the cockpit of a premium spacecraft. A panoramic digital display runs from behind the steering to the center console, powered by XOS, Excel's own operating system with AI-assisted controls. Touch-sensitive climate zones, ambient lighting that adapts to your mood, and a floating center touchscreen with haptic feedback elevate the driving experience to new heights. The front seats are a masterpiece in themselves, crafted with vegan leather and suede accents. They're not just ventilated and heated, but come with 5 massage modes and memory presets. The driver's seat adjusts automatically based on your saved profile, while the passenger enjoys the same royal treatment. In the back, the spacious cabin continues the luxury story. Reclining rear seats, dual-zone climate control, a rear infotainment touchscreen, and noise cancellation technology ensure that every passenger feels first class. There's even a built-in fridge between the rear seats, making long journeys effortlessly premium. Under the hood, the Excel X2 Platinum packs a 3.2L twin-turbo hybrid powertrain delivering 480 horsepower. It's paired with an 8-speed intelligent transmission and an all-wheel drive system that adapts to